Nowadays, almost everyone wants to speak English fluently and effortlessly. And I believe you too want to improve your English, right? So, there is one question: why only few people are able to see improvement in a short period of time, while others they are struggling years and years, but there is no improvement at all? What could be the reason? Have you ever asked this question to yourself? I believe yes, you may have asked many times. So now it's time to find the answer and solve the problem and speak this language fluently and effortlessly. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can speak this language fluently and effortlessly in a short period of time. See my friend, we as a learner are making multiple of mistakes on the regular basis. Mistake in terms of speaking. If you make a lot of mistakes while speaking, there is no problem at all. But if you make mistakes in terms of thinking, in terms of how to practice, then it will hold your fluency. It will take a lot of time to become a fluent speaker. Okay? So as I told you, if you are a kind of person who makes a lot of mistakes, there is no need to worry. Think you are the right person to get the fluency, and you will get, okay, because you are making a lot of mistakes. It means you are learning a lot on the regular basis. Here on the other hand, there are a lot of people, they think negative, okay, and due to which they are unable to get the fluency. Which kinds of thought they carry in their mind? I think I can never ever become a fluent speaker. That is their first thought. It should not be in their mind, or else they will never ever become a fluent speaker. Okay, our thought matters a lot more than our action. Okay, so you act, that is second thing, but you think, that is first thing. Okay, so think positive, think that you can become a fluent speaker, think that you are the right person to speak this language very fluently, better than everyone. No, you should not compare with others, but focus on yourself. Okay, so think you can become a fluent speaker. And here thinking is not enough, you have to take some extra step also. See, let me share with you my story as a beginner. When I was a beginner, I used to lie myself. How? I used to say myself, I'm a fluent speaker. See, when I wasn't able to introduce myself in front of people, at that time I used to say I am a fluent speaker. See how positive I was. Okay, so in your case also, you have to be positive, you have to think, you have to lie to your mind. Okay, if you want to become a good person or a fluent speaker or whatever changes you want to bring in your life, just keep giving that information to your mind. Okay, just like I'm a fluent speaker and I have this job, that job. Just give the right information to your mind, right message to your mind, and then you will see that kinds of result. Okay, sorry, little bit noise is coming. A small child, he is screaming, so if you get little bit bothering, I'm so sorry for that one. I didn't find any good place to record my video, so after a long trial I found this place, so please guys bear with me. So yeah, where I was, you have to think positive, okay, in order to become a fluent speaker. Other thing, I have seen many people, they overthink, just like this language is not meant for me, or how can I start speaking this language. Before they take the first step, they think a lot. Okay, so you are making it mountain, you are making your problem very big, but in reality that is not so big. Okay, speaking with people, it's not so difficult, they are not going to kill you if you make mistake. Instead of saying see, if you say he, no problem at all. Okay, because you will learn. And I've seen many people that they do such mistakes. But if you think negative, my friend, it is going to impact your life very badly. Okay, so think positive that okay, I'll become a fluent speaker and I am already a fluent speaker, or I'll do that one, I'll do that this one. So think and then write somewhere. Okay, today if you are a beginner, then just follow my word, go and write in your diary that you are a fluent speaker, and then you will see your mind will start work according to that statement which you have written in your diary. It just happened with me, that's why I'm sharing with you. Okay, so do this thing. Other thing I have found, many people, they compare with others. So before you compare with others, okay, just see when they started speaking this language, when they started learning this language, and then it will be fair to compare with yourself, it will be right to compare with yourself. If you are comparing with a person who has already given 5 year, 10 year, and you have given just 5 months, 2 months, like that, is it fair? From any angle it's not fair. Okay, that is why stop comparing with others. What is the right thing to do? Just start comparing with yourself. You are the same person who wasn't able to understand if people were speaking English, but now you are able to understand. Okay, you are the person who wasn't able to utter even a single word properly, but now you are able to speak, you are able to introduce yourself in front of people. Then why worry, my friend? Gradually things will change. But it doesn't mean you should not put effort. As I told you, one line, I guess I told you. If not, then there is one line: no involvement, no improvement. More involvement, more improvement. So do follow this thing. Okay, try to follow that, try to involve yourself more and more in this language. Then there will be no need to worry. You will see improvement. It will happen automatically, naturally, without taking tension, without being harsh towards yourself. See, when I was a beginner, I was like you, but I had a strong mindset, I would say. I used to imagine things that I am speaking very fluently like that, okay? And now it is turning into reality. So what I'm trying to say, just think positive. Just give right information to your mind that you can speak this language, you can achieve whatever you want. If little bit doubt is there, then anything can happen. I mean, you may not achieve fluency, or I believe that it's a language. I don't want to stress this thing so much. Just like no one can become fluent speaker, or like if you put little bit effort also you can become. Okay, so in terms of other things I'm talking, just like achieving something, achieving fluency, it's also, I'm just taking example, but other thing in your life, don't doubt little bit also, or else it will give negative impact on that particular things, and it may expand your time duration. Okay, so if you want to decrease the time duration and achieve as soon as possible, it could be fluency, it could be anything in your life. So my friend, think positive. Okay, and involve yourself in that thing, in that particular things which you want to achieve, and then nothing can stop you. Okay, I have seen many people whosoever involved themselves in that particular area in which they wanted to get mastery. I saw within few months there was improvement, and then within few years they had really got mastery. So it will happen with you also. Do you want to get fluency fast way? Yes, I think you want. You will get, my friend. Just believe in yourself and practice from your side. Try your level best. So if you give only few minutes, result will be according to that one. If you give a lot of hours, then result will be according to that one. So involve yourself more, and then you will see the result more, okay, or improvement more. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.